Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you the one of the fake website which is going on trend. Now you can see in ads in the Google, YouTube and Facebook mainly. So they are displaying them for the targeting for the mobiles like 45,000 rupees mobile for only for 3,000, 4,000 somewhat like that. So in this video I am going to show you the full details about the website and how we can find such kind of website, how we can see the full details of the website. So before going to the video friends, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from the channel. So watch the full video and know the full details about this scam. So now let's go get into the topic. So as you can see here, this site name is so this phone is named as Crypto Phones. So here you can get all the phones for 3,000 rupees only for 4,999, 2,999 at the for example MI for 45,000 phone we can get it here. They are displaying for the 4,000 rupees only. So if you pay through the online we can get through the discount 20%. So let's see how this website is working and how the scams are going on. So make sure that please do share this video with your friends and family members, at least for the one member, so that they too can know this website. So basically what happening is, so as you can see here there is an ad is displaying here AD. So I will search it once again so that ad is displaying in previously. So in Google also they are supporting for the ads, as you can see here. So in the Google, in the Facebook, wherever they are targeting for the not for the youth, they are targeting for the some of the people who are not educated more using Facebook and all. So nowadays it is the right time to there to scam the people. So this is the educational video friends, please do share this video. So let us see how we can find this website is fake or not. So let's see. So as you can see here, so this is a Realme X3 phone. They kept name for the Crypto XT. So let's click on it. So this phone is fake friends. So as you can see here, you can get it only for 5,499. So if you pay with the Paytm, debit card, credit card details, so you will be getting this mobile for the 4,499 rupees only friends. So let us see the some of the full details about this. So let's scroll down below. So let us once see as you can see here, the website is built nicely. So as you can see here, so let us once check the validity of this for example registration, when it registered and when will be it expire. So as you can see here, I came to the who.is. This is an website where we can check the domain names. So I copied the domain. I will copy the domain name. I will show it here. So I will copy it, already pasted here. So just once let us search it. So just scroll down below. So as you can see here, date. So registered date is on 24/5 and the expiry date is on 2021/4/5. It means that this domain is taken for the only for the 1 year purpose friends. So make note of it. So and also just scroll down below. As you can see here, there are a lot of phones, Samsung, Realme, Nokia and all. So let us scroll down below. So as you can see here, they mentioned company. So about, let us click on about page. So as you can see here, the about page. So here they are clearly mentioned that we are committed to give our customers the best quality products. So as you can see here friends, so with the 5,000 budget we can't get at high-end specifications mobile. So as you can see here, this is a Samsung mobile. So at this point we won't get any Samsung mobile at this point friends. So as you can see here, they are mainly targeting for the online purpose only. So as you can see here, if you do the payment with the Paytm, so Paytm or else debit card or else credit card, they are giving the more discount. So actually what happening is, so first of all this is a fake website friends. Make sure that this is a fake website compulsory, and also this is an running the time period. So as you can see here, this all are fake friends. So once you order, so you may not get the product first thing. So you may not 100% you may not get the product, or else if you get the product also, for example if you ordered for the iPhone, so make sure that it is a clone phone nothing but, for example if you order for the iPhone, you may get the iPhone, but they, when you switch on the mobile, so you may boot with the Android OS. So this all are the fake products, clone products. And also the make sure, see the products friends, all phones are branded and new phones, they just downloaded and re-uploaded the images and the details, all the details are the same, but just rename the, as you can see here, Crypto M30s. So this is an Samsung phone friends, so Samsung M30s. So at this budget you never expect the offer. So if you want to buy the product, make sure that you are buying from the, I suggest mainly from the Amazon and the Flipkart. So this and all are the fake products. So this they are promoting this website mainly on the Facebook and the YouTube through the Google AdSense. They advertise through the Google AdSense. So many of my friends are telling the information about this. We are getting the low price at the low price. So but friends, when you order this, so when once I tried to order, so they mentioned that due to COVID-19 we are unable to give the cash and delivery option. So mainly what happened is friends, here when they are giving the cash and delivery, mainly what happened is through the post they will give. So the post, how it works is, when the postman comes and when we give the money to the postman, they will not stay here, they will go. They mainly, actually what happened is, once you open the seal, you can't return to the post. Maximum fake products will send through the post if you place an order through the cash and delivery. So once you take the product, so once you give the money, you can't return through them. So make sure this point. But in Flipkart and Amazon, they will be having the policy like 10 days return and replacement and return policy, so depending upon the product. So in this, mainly what happening, they will say, if they send also, they will send the clone products friends. So you can check the details also. So for example, let us check this Realme XT one. So as you can see here, all the specifications are copied from the website. You can compare with the Flipkart, go through the Flipkart once, search for the Realme XT and open this site and just check friends. So all the specifications, all they are just copied and re-uploaded in this site. So they are mentioned all their cash and delivery is available, express delivery and safe payments. So as you can see here, 24-hour service. So what are the requirement things is there for the website, common website? They mentioned all the things friends. So in this website, mainly what happened is, so when you enter the details, they will take the details and they will sell to the third party person. Don't register with this. So first thing is, don't register. So if you register also, don't do any payment with your debit card, credit card things friends. So mainly they will not keep any UPI payments and all gateways. They will not keep any gateways like Paytm, not in Paytm, so Google Pay and all, so UPI and all. Mainly what they will do is, when you enter the debit card, so it leads to take the money, so they may misuse your debit card details also. So when you are ordering, when you are doing the shipment, so you need to enter the complete details of your address. So when you are entering the complete details of your address, so it will help them to sell all the details of yours to the another third party persons. So make sure that don't do the payment, don't sign into such kind of website. So if you get an ad, what should I do if you get the ad? So basically friends, when you get the ad in the Facebook or else in the WhatsApp, so not in WhatsApp, in the YouTube, so somewhere else if you get this, so just you will get an option 3 dots, so just click on it. Make sure that just click on I am not interested, or else if you want to report, you can report it also. Just click on it is better to report on this, so that they will remove the ad from the Google and the Facebook. So this is a main thing friends. So many people are just buying through this website, so make sure that you are not going to buy this website. And that's all for this video friends. Please do share this video with your friends and family members. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.